Yeah, I don't know. We did have a pen, but it's gone. It's weird. It's just like got eaten by the carpet.
That's all. Yeah, cool. Alright. Here.
It's here. Excellent. Okay. Oh, you press another button. It's going like.
You sort it out when you go
Oh, you don't like those ones.
Got it?
It's a bit low, isn't it? That one. Electric guitar, yeah.
Yeah. So
Maybe that one. No, that one. Sorry. Right, yeah. No. Remember, look. 3 black notes, use the 2 white notes in the middle of them. On the 2 black notes, use the 3 black notes around them. It's that shape. That's what I want you to remember. Yeah? So C, D, E, G, and A.
So that would be C major pentatonic.
Yeah, that's C major pentatonic, what you're playing right now. If they ask that in the exam, which they might, play them that. C major pentatonic. Yeah.
Cool. And then so if they said C minor, could I start on A minor? No.
If they wanted C minor pentatonic, it gets a bit more complicated because you'd be playing this. Wait, that's wrong. Sorry. No, that's right. Yeah. That's C minor pentatonic.
Can we do that as well?
Yeah, sure. So, in fact, I'll teach you. Okay, let's do the same thing as you did for this, where you've got the major and the minor, but it's major pentatonic and minor pentatonic, and I'll teach you the pattern. Okay. So for the major pentatonic, can you tell me
Can you get a major blues scale? No.
Well, the point of the blues is, well, not the point of the blues, but a musical feature is it is major and minor at the same time. Like you're playing major chords with a minor scale, and like a major chord with a minor 7th is like is the blues sound like that. Like that is neither major or minor. You know, it's both. So don't think about theory too much when you think about the blues. Just think about your feelings. All right. So the intervals for a major pentatonic scale. Let's do this from C. Okay. So where do I go from C?
I don't know.
Remember it's.
Oh, sorry. C major or major?
C major pentatonic. What is the interval between the first and the second note? Yeah, that's right. So right T then. Cool. And what about the next one? No? Yes. You're playing a major scale now.
Fucking tone.
Yeah, it's just a tone. So now we get a complicated one. It's neither semitone nor tone. It's more, isn't it? It's
1, 2, 3.
It's 3 frets, yeah.
3 steps.
So what should we call that?
3 S? 3 steps?
Yeah, 3 semitones, yeah, fair.
1, 2,
And then,
that's
yeah.
fine.
And then, no. Remember, we're yeah, that's all the notes. So then to get back to the root, you go up 3 semitones.
You don't have to play the root though, do you? Really?
Well, no, but like, if you were actually being musical and playing the scale, you'd want to be able to get to the octave, wouldn't you? And then once you get up there, you can then do it again. Whereas if I just teach you
1, 2, 3,
the intervals,
again.
but yeah. If I just taught you the intervals from C to A, like from that note to that note, then presumably you'd just start playing the same intervals from there, like tone, 3 steps, tone, 3 steps, and it would, you know. So 3 steps, tone, 3 steps, yeah. And for minor, well done, yeah, you've got the whole keyboard. Cool. So for minor, you start on A if you're playing it with just white notes in this sense. A minor pentatonic. So what's the first step I need to make in that scale?
2, 3.
Yep, 3 steps.
Tone.
Yep.
Tone. 3 steps.
Yep.
3 steps, tone.
Yeah, that's right. Once again, you see that it's the same pattern but shifted.
Yep.
Yeah, you
I do
shifted
see
along
that,
a couple.
Redden.
I'm glad that you see that. I'm glad you see it. Yeah. You're wiser now. Hey, can you teach me that that reggae song you wanted to play?
Yeah.
And we can like do a lesson to do with that. Because like I think that's enough for you to be getting on with it, like for this lesson. You know, if next lesson we have you know these things, then I'll be doing my job properly. What else? Have you got any niggling doubts? Any other questions that you want answers to, like right now?
Yeah.
What do you need to learn?
Well, I don't know if I get that down. Then learning. Can we just go through? Can we go, like modes real
Modes.
quickly?
All right, yeah.
So I know it's Ionian.
Yep.
How to spell it?
That's all right.
Ionian.
Yeah, like Greek. Yeah.
Dorian.
Yeah, like the fish. Yeah, like the fridge.
Yeah.
And then
Lydian.
yeah. That's right.
Mixolydian, Aeolian.
Yeah, you've got this.
And then
The weird one.
Locrian.
Yeah, that's right.
So
You know the names.
So differentiate. So different from like the. Because I know Lydian, you just have to do a sharp 4, don't you?
That's right. It's a major scale with a sharp
Right.
4.
I don't want to know the rest. The rest.
All right. Okay. Do you know that tune "Rapper's Delight"? You know,
No.
hip hop, hip do the hip hop, you don't stop. That one.
Yeah.
Or do you know "Good Times"? We are on good times by Chic. That plays the Dorian as the bass line, so it goes like. That's the Dorian, and it's just like a minor scale, apart from the 6th note. Yeah, is sharpened. You hear that? It's different to. It's. Like that note.
It's kind of sweeter,
It's
isn't it?
different.
It's less sad.
Yeah. I reckon I like it more than Aeolian, which is the normal minor. Aeolian's just regular minor, Ionian's just regular major. Yeah. But Dorian is like a minor with a sharp 6. So it's just like a Lydian is a major.
Dorian
with a
is
sharp.
what? Sorry.
Dorian is a minor with a sharp 6. Okay? And if like so when let's just learn the modes first. Cool.
And then Phrygian. I know is that a flat 2?
Yeah, Phrygian definitely has a flat 2.
Is it minor with flat 2 then?
I think so. Yeah. You know, I'm not so hot on my Phrygian. I don't really know it that well. Yeah, it's just a minor scale with a flat 2. Okay, it's just a minor scale with a flat 2.
Do you know Mixolydian?
Mixolydian, the weird thing there is a 7th. No, Mixolydian is exactly the same as a major, but it has a flat 7. Yeah? And then Locrian is just messed up. It's just fucked.
Do we need to do that one?
Yeah, he might put Locrian in if he's feeling mean. A Locrian is just like flat everything, or it's something like it's a minor scale with a flat 2nd and a flat
Yeah.
5
So basically,
and
yeah.
a flat something else probably. I don't even know. Yeah?
No, I was just gonna say. So if I get red hot on these,
Yeah.
all it is just altering a note.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
And like for modes, then like he'll play a mode, he'll play some scales, and some of them will be modes, like we did in that lesson the other day. And like you'll have to listen, and if it sounds like a major for the first 3 notes, and then the 4th one sounds like sweeter, sounds higher, then you're like, it's Lydian. I mean, it might be like a more complicated scale, but I think that like Lydian dominant, which is like a cross between a Lydian and a Mixolydian, but we don't need to go into that because this is lesson 1. And I'm pretty sure you have like a question that's like modes and a question that's complicated scales, and you don't have to like differentiate between them. So yeah, if you're listening to a minor scale and it sounds like that song, then you know it's Dorian.
Yeah.
You know, if it sounds like a minor but then the 6th note sounds like sweeter,
Yeah.
like this is a minor, and this is a Dorian. This is a Phrygian. So, you know, if the first note is flattened, it's either going to be Phrygian or Locrian. And if it sounds totally mental and not like anything, it's going to be Locrian, probably. But yeah, so first up, learn your major scale, your minor scale, and your pentatonics with your blues. Okay? Yeah, the blues scale is like the minor one, but with the blue note. So this is slightly misleading heading. Like, I guess blues scale will just say like minor pentatonic and blue note. Yeah, which is a flat 5 or a tritone. Do you know about tritones? Yeah, we talk about them sometimes, but
is it that or the devil's note?
yeah, the devil's note. It's this one.
Do we have to play chords as well?
That's probably a different part of the exam. But yeah, I think so. I'm not sure though. Yeah, it's changed a bit since I did the exam, and I know as much as you do really about what the exam is. I missed theory a couple of weeks ago when he talked about the whole exam. Were you there for that one? Yeah, no, I know what we did so far, and I know that some of it's written, some of it's oral. You're sitting at a piano and you have to play things, and you also have a sheet of paper that you have to write things on. Like you have to write some sheet music, you have to read some sheet music.
Yeah. No,
I'm
I'm not sure.
on demand, you know.
I'm not sure if we I'm not sure if we have to play chords. Is it hard to play chords?
It's not hard to play chords. You said that you felt like you were better on chords than scales.
No,
right?
I meant like listening to chords.
Oh right. Well, all a chord is like, it's actually easier than on guitar, arguably, because you generally only have to play 3 notes. You don't have to play 6. You know, you're just playing the root, the third, and the fifth, which you know all about. You know, like, play me some chords. What chords do you know?
Major.
Yeah, major and minor. Cool. Well, I think we should wait until that like theory lesson where he talks about the bit about the chords. But you know about sevenths as well, how to add sevenths on the piano.
Oh shit, so I've got
Yeah, what sort of seventh is that?
major 7.
That's right. That's the James Bond chord. Yeah, that's a minor 7. You're just playing loads of crazy shit now, aren't you? Like, well, I think that's enough for this week, man. Like, yeah, you got a lot to go on with. I normally, maybe we'll have a longer lesson and less of a lunchtime next time. But yeah, you can, I've got a rehearsal that's finishing at 4 that I should really get to, so I've only got like...
Oh shit, you need to go?
Yeah, I kind of do. Unless there's anything else you want to learn now.
Thanks.
Cool.
That's all good.
Alright, stop the tape.